President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev signed 5 constitutional laws that enshrine the provisions of the new constitution. One of the key laws on the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan states that the head of state serves as a guarantor of the unity of the people and state power, the inviolability of the constitution, as well as the rights and freedoms of citizens. The President defines the main directions of state policy, oversees the work of state bodies, and represents the country both domestically and abroad. The law introduces the position of the Vice President. The President also signed a constitutional law providing for the establishment of the Kurultai. It consists of 145 deputies elected through party lists for a 5-year term. The law defines a broad range of powers for the Kurultai. Deputies will give consent to the appointment of the Vice President, the Prime Minister, judges of the Constitutional Court, members of the Central Election Commission, and the Supreme Audit Chamber. The Kurultai also calls presidential elections and approves reports on the execution of the national budget. The status and powers of the Khalaq are defined by another constitutional law signed by the head of state. The new body will represent the interests of Kazakhstan citizens in shaping public policy. The Khalaq may develop proposals on key areas of domestic policy and submit them for consideration to the Kurultai, as well as initiate the holding of a nationwide referendum. Previously, public institutions mainly focused on developing recommendations, organizing public dialogue platforms, and putting forward expert proposals. Now, however, there is an opportunity to provide expert support throughout the entire process of an initiative, from its inception to the adoption of a decision that can subsequently be submitted to the Kurultai. The key issue now is implementation. Success depends on both the quantity and quality of the initiatives put forward. I believe we have created a strong platform that can further contribute to the development of our state. Constitutional laws on the status of the capital and on administrative territorial structure were signed. One of the documents defines the development of Astana, while the other regulates issues of territorial administration.